Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Leifheit Regulus Aqua PowerVac. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner and wet cleaner too. It's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner in one device with 20-minute battery life. The vacuum cleaner with stand function. Oh yeah, you can get them in action and then you can let them rest there as you like. No prop for it, as you can see. It's a 2-in-1. This upright vacuum cleaner lets us perform 2 cleaning jobs with one device. It sucks up dirt effectively and then cleans the floor with water with its own roller. And 2 intensities, weigh just only 3.3 kilograms, slim by design. This lightweight upright vacuum cleaner allows effortless cleaning with 2 settings, Eco mode and Turbo mode. And it's cordless. They made the vacuum cleaner cordless and with a battery that lasts for 22 minutes, allowing us to clean surfaces of up to 65 square meters without the constraint of cables. And there's a rotary roller, the wet vacuum microfiber roller with a rotation of up to 3,000 rounds per minute. Easily removes the stains from the floor and also has a self-cleaning function. This is the Leifheit Regulus Aqua PowerVac Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. 3.3 kilogram upright vacuum with rotating microfiber roller and 22 time of runtime. And I think it's long enough to clean your floor, no problem. The entire floor, okay? Living room and kitchen, maybe in the kids' room too, and the sleeping room. No prop for it. The item number is 11914. Oh, the Leifheit Regulus Aqua PowerVac is a nice cordless vacuum cleaner for you and all other hard floors out there. Tired of tripping over the vacuum cleaner's cable or having to store countless cleaning devices in our cupboard? The Leifheit Power Vacuum Floor Cleaner and Washer is the tool we need. It's providing 2-in-1 cleaning. First, use the vacuum function to effectively remove the dirt from the floor. Then, replace the head with the microfiber roller, which provides outstanding wet cleaning. With its rotation up to 3,000 rounds per minute, it easily removes stains from the floor. In addition, this roller is equipped with a self-cleaning function for an always impeccable result. The vacuum is a particle and a unique housewarming gift for houses and, of course, apartments alike. The vacuum cleaner with the mopping function enables the suction mopping in one go without interruptions, combining the work steps of vacuuming and wiping in one device that saves time. The vacuum cleaner with a 24-volt lithium-ion battery is wireless and quickly to hand, easy to use even in confined space thanks to the slim and agile design. Supplied by Leifheit in Germany for over 60 years, Leifheit has been one of Europe's leading suppliers of cleaning, laundries, care and kitchen products. All their innovations are easy to use, work reliable, and made from enhanced materials for durability, offering different particle performance. With their enhanced quality, they make life in the home easier and more convenient, giving us more time for the things we love. That's a 2-in-1 floor washer vacuum cleaner in one device. And of course, you can make it really easy, the everyday cleaning process with that device. The Leifheit Cordless Vac and Wipe is really awesome. It's easy to use, as you can see, because there are 2 tanks. One tank on the upper side is for fresh water plus the soap, And the other tank is the bottom tank. That's the dust compartment, okay? And of course, the dust compartment with water, because it's a wet and dry cleaner in one device. Oh yeah. We should make sure that the children do not play with that appliance. We do not leave children unattached with that appliance. We unplug the appliance from the power outlet before cleaning or maintenance. We do not touch the rotating cleaning roller when the appliance is switched on. We make sure that the running cleaning roller does not make contact with body parts, for hair, fingers as well, or items or clothing. During cleaning, we should make sure that no body parts for fingers are trapped or crushed by the floor head. We make sure that no objects, cables or long fringes catch in the cleaning roller. Otherwise, there's a risk that this or the appliance are damaged or take damage. We store the appliance out of the reach of children. We do not leave the appliance unattended when it's switched on. We can use it easily, as you can see, but it's not a toy. The appliance combines vacuum and wiping in one work step. It is equipped with a two-tank system with a separate fresh and dirty water tank. By actuating the water lever, the fresh water is spread over the clean roller. This allows the amount of water to be set for every floor type. The rotating cleaning roller removes dust, dry, and most dirt as well as dried stains. The vacuum function sucks on the cleaning roller and transports the dirt into the dirty water tank. This allows us to always wipe with a clean cleaning roller and fresh, delicious water. Two cleaning intensive levels are available on that. That means you have one button to switch it on and the other button to switch between the turbo or the eco mode. It's really easy. The eco mode brings you a longer runtime, and the powerful turbo mode brings you more suction power. 22 minutes of battery lifetime or power for a surface of up to 65 square meters. That's enough. We have two water tanks for organic cleaning. The self-cleaning function of the microfiber roller. The tank control technology is preventing the dirt water overflows, and it's a complete cleaning kit, as you can see. The only thing you have to do is add water and soap, or a special Leifheit liquid, of course. This is easy because you can remove the two tanks, one tank to top up with water and soap, and the other tank you can remove to remove the dirt, water out of the tank, and of course the dust which are in the dirt water tank too. There is a filter system built in. This filter you can remove and easily clean too. You do not have to clean that filters because you have to clean them, of course, not so hard like a standard vacuum cleaner, because a standard vacuum cleaner comes with a HEPA filter, another filter, and there is more filter and four filter and blah, 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 blah. This Leifheit Regulus Aqua PowerVac comes with water. That means all the dust particles will be binded or catched and they will take into the dust and wet and dirt water tank. And after that you can remove it immediately and easily. That's easy, very easy. You can let the vacuum cleaner stand upward easily. Only rotate the knob or the lever backside, the handle up to a upside direction, and then it will stand there. In the freshwater tank, it contains 500 milliliter with a maximum temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. One full charge process will need 3 hours. That's okay. And we have turbo mode and eco mode. And that it is that's the Leifheit Regulus Aqua PowerVac. You can remove the rollers out of the device, and if you have a set with more than one roller, you can replace it, of course, or you can clean it under running water, no problem. And so you can see it's really easy to use that device, and it makes a good cleaning solution at home and for the entire home with hard floors. It's not so good on carpets, okay, because of the water. But the water, you can switch off the water function, of course, because you will only apply the water if you are use the trigger. If you do not use the trigger, it's a standard vacuum cleaner. But if you push or pull, you will pull the trigger, then it will be dirt, wet dirt, because the water comes out and dips into the roller, and the roller is removing with water supply the dirt from the floor easily. That's the really awesome Leifheit Regulus Aqua PowerVac Cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a wet and a dry vacuum cleaner with a 20-minute approximate battery life. A vacuum cleaner with stand function too. Thanks, and German quality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.